Trust is not destroyed by one big lie. It breaks quietly through small patterns people choose to ignore. Some people will smile with you, laugh with you, stand beside you, while silently studying how to use you. And the truth is, the most dangerous people rarely look dangerous at first. But human behavior always leaves clues if you know where to look. So pay attention, because here are 7 signs that someone should never be trusted. 1. They lie about small things. A person who lies about small things is not being harmless. They are practicing. Because if someone bends the truth when it doesn't even matter, what will they do when it does? Honesty is a habit, and so is dishonesty, and habits always reveal character. 2. They change personality depending on the room. Watch them carefully. One version with you, another with strangers, and a completely different one with authority. That's not adaptability, that's instability. Because real character doesn't perform, it stays consistent, no matter who's watching. 3. They break promises casually. Anyone can make promises, but trustworthy people treat their words like contracts. If someone repeatedly breaks promises, don't listen to excuses. Listen to the pattern, because a broken promise is not a mistake when it becomes a habit. 4. They gossip about everyone. If they constantly talk about others behind their back, remember this: you are simply the next conversation when you leave the room. Respectful people protect reputations, but people who live on gossip often survive on betrayal. 5. They avoid accountability. Watch what happens when they make a mistake. Excuses appear instantly, and responsibility disappears. But growth only begins when someone says, "I was wrong." If they never admit fault, they will never change. 6. They only care when they need something. Some people remember you only when they need help. Their kindness appears suddenly and disappears just as fast. That's not loyalty, that's convenience, because real loyalty exists even when there's nothing to gain. 7. They disrespect boundaries. You say no, they push harder. You set limits, they test them. But respect for boundaries is respect for you. And someone who ignores small boundaries will eventually cross bigger ones. Trust is not built through words, it is built through patterns. Because character always reveals itself quietly through repeated behavior. And the people you trust shape the peace you live with. Remember this: the biggest mistake in life is not trusting people. It's ignoring the signs that warned you not to. If this message spoke to you, comment which sign stood out the most. Like this video if it helped you see people more clearly. And subscribe to Mindful Echo, where calm minds learn to see what others miss.